Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate it on the videos. And in this video, I'm going to be doing unboxing and also quick review. And this is of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And you can see this is the box that it comes in. I'll just give a quick 360 view of it. And of course it has the information on the bottom with the barcodes and all that. So let's take a look inside and see what comes with it. Okay, so here's the packaging there, how it's set up. And let's see what this is here. It just shows you really quick how you put them on. I just added more light. I was doing another video with a headset, so I just want to show a pretty cool color. But here's the packaging here on this one. Let's see, get it open. Okay, this is just a quick start guide that they give you. And in this little package here, this is the power cable for the device. Let's see, there's a little, okay, they're pretty cool. These are the rubber pieces for the ear, extra ones that they have here. There's 4 of them total. And that's everything in the box, you can see here. And then these are the devices themselves. Sorry about that. Here's the case. So let me get one of these out. And these are the rubber, the extra rubber things that they provided. But you can see here, these are the kind of like this purple or violet color ones that I got. But you can see the two-tone that it has, the reflective finish, kind of like silver or chrome. And then of course they'll let you know which one's for the right and which one's for the left. So let me just show really quick the charging box or charging case. As you can see there. It's pretty cool. And these are the 2 devices here. So I hope this video helps you understand everything that comes in the box and what kind of design these have. These are the Galaxy Buds Pro, like I mentioned before. Kind of similar, kind of different from the original ones and the other ones that I have. But I will be doing a video of some other ones that I have, the regular Galaxy Buds 2. I have the original, I think. And I just got the second ones also for one of my kids. And I'm going to show that unboxing video as well. So let me know what you think of in the comments, any questions. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching.